Okay, I just restarted the program because Fusion was being funky. Bigfoot is extruded to 1 inch. At this point, I could go ahead and send it right to the 3D printer if my 3D printer functioning was working, but it's not. So we're going to go ahead and save this. As a Bigfoot cookie cutter. So just there's a save. And now I'm going to do one other thing, and that's to make a pusher for this cookie cutter so that you don't end up trying to pry your soap out of there. So one more new file. I like to do everything in separate files. You can put as many prints as you want on a 3D printer up to the capacity that it has. And if you have them in separate files, then you can modify them when you need to. So again, I am going to insert our image again. And I'll show you how to change the size on these so that you can do things like a pusher and stuff. It's trying, I hope. There it goes. Okay, so there's Bigfoot again, and so what we need to do now is go ahead and make this a solid feature. Now we have the lines here already, so what I'm going to do is this'll push it right out to the edge of the cutter. So I need to first of all reduce the size of the sketch, which is what Fusion regards these files as. So I'm going to go ahead and select it, and we're going to modify its scale. Now it wants me to select it again. Come on. Okay, so we're going to do this a little different. I think it's my computer misbehaving. So if I do a full right sweep, I should select the whole image, and that is really what we want to do. Okay, I'm stopping the recording.